In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable increased contrast on your macOS display. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And then on the left panel here, you want to select Accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select where it says Display. Where it says increase contrast, click inside that oval to toggle to the right to enable, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.